Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you want your Bosch tankless water heater to keep running smoothly and deliver consistent hot water without unexpected problems, regular maintenance can make a big difference. Sometimes people wait until water pressure changes or heating feels inconsistent, while other times they simply want to keep the system in better condition before issues begin. Since a Bosch tankless water heater works continuously with water flow, minerals and buildup can slowly affect performance over time if maintenance gets ignored. The best part is that a few simple checks and safe cleaning habits can help the system stay in better shape much longer. In this video, let's go through several easy and safe maintenance steps for a Bosch tankless water heater. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the Bosch tankless water heater before beginning any maintenance checks. Step 2. Inspect the Bosch tankless water heater for visible moisture or connection concerns. Step 3. Clean the intake area on the Bosch tankless water heater if dust buildup appears. Step 4. Check water flow connected to the Bosch tankless water heater. If heating feels different. Step 5. Review settings on the Bosch tankless water heater to confirm normal operation. Step 6. Test hot water from the Bosch tankless water heater and confirm everything runs smoothly again.